Hello everyone. So today we would be focusing on the chapter force. And using numericals, we are going to understand moment of force. Now moment of force is nothing but force multiplied by the perpendicular distance from the point of application of the force to the point under consideration. Now we are going to realize this moment of force using simply diagrams. Now, as I mentioned that it's nothing but force into the perpendicular distance, and now what I want you to remember is the word perpendicular distance, right? So let's say if a force is getting applied at this point, and we want to find the moment of force at point O, which is the center of the circle. So if we know the value of force, let's say 10 newtons, all we have to do is find the perpendicular distance at the point of application to the point of consideration, which is O. So now this is the perpendicular distance, and this is nothing but the radius of the circle. So in this case, the moment of force would be nothing but F into R, which is nothing but 10 into the radius of the circle, which is equal to 10 R Newton meter. One thing to remember while solving numericals in this chapter is to stick with the SI units. And I want you to emphasize on that. Force is always measured in its SI units, which is newtons. And the distance here, its SI unit is nothing but in meters. So in numericals, you might have examples where the distance would be in centimeters. So first you have to convert that into meters. You would have force in some other units. So first you need to convert that into newtons. So for the other example, let's say if the point is here and this point is called A. Now, if you want to calculate the moment of force at A, we again follow a simple process. We know that the point of application of force is here. What we have to do is just create a perpendicular to this force, which is this, right? So now this perpendicular, and that is nothing but the diameter of this circle. So the moment of force for A, so let's say moment of force for point A is nothing but force into the diameter of the circle, which is nothing but 10d Newton meter. Now d is again the diameter in meters and r is the radius in meters.